Join me as I challenge myself to capture the most thrilling moments in stunning 4K at 60 FPS while racing at 42 km/h. Capturing life's thrills in cinematic quality is a game-changer for storytelling. The 4K resolution and smooth 60 FPS frame rate bring an unparalleled level of detail and fluidity to our videos. This combination allows us to relive the excitement and immerse ourselves in the moment like never before. When trying to capture fast-moving subjects, we often face frustrating challenges. Motion blur and loss of detail can turn what should be an epic shot into a disappointing one. Lower quality footage just can't keep up with the speed in action. We end up with a blurry mess that fails to convey the thrill of the moment. Even with high-end cameras, achieving smooth footage at high speeds requires careful planning and the right equipment. A shaky hand or inadequate stabilization can ruin an otherwise perfect shot. And let's not forget about the lighting. Insufficient light can lead to grainy footage that's more distracting than captivating. The technology behind 4K at 60 FPS filming is impressive. It requires a camera capable of handling high frame rates and resolutions, along with lenses that can keep up. The result is footage that's not only visually stunning but also incredibly detailed. We can slow down the footage and still enjoy crystal clear images, which is a huge advantage for action shots and dynamic scenes. To get the best out of 4K at 60 FPS, you need to understand your equipment and have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. This might involve investing in a gimbal for smoother footage or using a specific lens for better low-light performance. The investment pays off, though, as your footage stands out with its superior quality. Here's a look at some breathtaking clips I shot at 42 km/h. As you can see, the clarity and detail are stunning. From the rush of the wind to the thrill of speeding through tight spaces, every moment is captured in vivid detail. These clips aren't just visually impressive, they also tell a story of speed, adrenaline, and the joy of the ride. The smoothness of the footage lets us focus on the action without distractions. You can see every movement, every shift in direction, and every burst of speed. It's exhilarating to watch and gives us a real sense of being there. Using 4K at 60 FPS for capturing thrilling moments enhances the viewer's experience and our storytelling capabilities. It allows us to convey the excitement and emotion of the moment in a way that's engaging and immersive. Whether it's a sporting event, a travel vlog, or just a fun day out, this quality of footage takes our videos to the next level. So, what are your favorite action moments you've captured? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're looking to take your filming skills to the next level, check out my next video on advanced filming techniques for more tips and tricks. X1 Pro 4K Action Flying Camera, Foldable Drone with Camera with 42 km/h Follow Speed, 10+ fully automatic flight modes, Fly Anywhere with OmniTerrain, Smooth Capture 2.0. Brand HOVERAir. Photo Sensor Technology CMOS. Video Capture Resolution 1080p, 4K. Maximum Focal Length 10,000 mm. Flash Memory Type SD. Video Capture Format MP4. Supported Audio Format AAC. Screen Size 0.77 inches. Connectivity Technology USB. Color Black. 4K at 60 FPS cinematic footage for adventurers and creators. Experience your adventures like never before with the HOVERAir X1 Pro action camera. Capture every detail in stunning 4K at 60 FPS, from the crisp mountain air to the motion of the waves. This camera drone effortlessly delivers cinematic quality footage, bringing your most unforgettable moments to life in ultra-clear, lifelike 4K. Start your action with Smooth Capture 2.0. This mini drone features a 2-axis gimbal with ISO and HL for steadier shots and effortless filming during movement. The 104° FOV lens delivers action-packed moments with stunning visual impact. Totally hands-free, the HOVERAir drone with camera takes off from your hand easily with just a simple click or voice command, with no need for a controller or smartphone. The fully automated flight modes allow you to stay focused on the action, just let the camera handle the filming. Fly anywhere, anytime. The innovative OmniTerrain enables all-terrain flight, including snow, water, and cliffs. Just take it with you on every adventure and capture all the scenery. With over 10 flight modes like hover, zoom out, follow, and dolly track, you can capture footage any way you want. Fly fast, follow fast. This 4K camera drone features an upgraded aerodynamic design to minimize drag, allowing it to reach follow speeds of up to 42 km/h and a top burst speed of 60 km/h. The enhanced chip and tracking algorithm keep you centered in the frame, even during high-speed activities. It's been specifically upgraded for capturing cycling and skiing action. Rear Active Collision Detection. The HOVERAir X1 PRO camera drone features advanced rear TOF proximity sensor, supporting braking before collisions at speeds up to 1.5 meters per second when detecting obstacles, ensuring safer and easier tracking in complex outdoor or indoor actions. Portable, foldable and durable design. The foldable and fully enclosed design ensures portability and safety of HOVERAir X1 Pro/Pro Max selfie drone. The propeller guards of the camera are made of HEM, a aerospace-grade material lighter than carbon fiber, yet offering superior safety, elasticity, durability, and structural integrity. App control and ample internal storage. The HOVERAir X1 app allows you to configure flight modes, download and share content, launch manual control, and much more. This action camera comes with 32 GB internal storage and supports external SD card of up to 1 TB, giving you plenty of space for all your adventures.